The AC50 Diesel Locomotive is a high-power AC traction solution engineered specifically for heavy-haul freight operations on mainline railways. Its double-cab design with an internal corridor supports seamless bi-directional operation, enhancing both efficiency and operational safety. Delivering 5,000 horsepower with a 25-ton axle load and a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, the AC50 provides the strength and stability required for demanding freight tasks. The locomotive also supports multiple unit MU control of up to 3 units, significantly boosting hauling capability and operational flexibility. To meet the needs of diverse rail networks, the axle load and track gauge can be tailored, allowing the AC50 to operate reliably under different standards and conditions. AC50 Diesel Locomotive, power you can rely on, flexibility you can trust.